Yeah, it's Gariautocare again. Today I'm going to show you how to install the VIP light. This is the box. Let me show you. That's the light I'm talking about. So the first thing, we start by removing all the grill. So we are going to remove this grill first. So we start with the top cover. This is the grill I'm talking about. First, we have to remove this grill to give up enough space to operate. We have different type of those lights. We have red, blue. After tightening with tie wrap like this, we do it carefully because sometimes the grill is very delicate. This is how it's going to look like. After doing that, we install like this. So we are going back to the vehicle. This is the main controller, federal signal. So we are starting with the main socket. The main socket has four pins. That's the main socket. The power source. The power source. So this is the power wire. We have positive and negative. So this parking light. This is
so that is the ground. For the power supply. This is for the VIPs, single VIP.
We have 4 single VIPs. This is the main controller or federal signal. This is the best place to mount this federal signal. Let me power off, then on. On parking light. So let us confirm. See, it's daytime. The lights are perfect. Now we are down. Everything is perfect. Look at it. Let me show you. Look. So this labor takes around 1 hour and 50 minutes. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.